This is my zucchini pepper sauté. It goes with just about any meal, and it's so easy to make. Start up my induction burner, put a tablespoon of oil. It's extra virgin olive oil. First thing we're going to do is put in some sliced garlic, and it's just peeled and sliced like that. This is what really makes it. Kind of want to toast it. Makes it really yummy. And zucchini, I've got it sliced into little rounds like that, washed, peeled. 3 to 5 minutes to make this. It's so easy. And I've got some red pepper cut into about 1-inch chunks like that. It's a whole pepper. You can go with orange or red. It's kind of like a stir fry, but just a little different. I'm serving this with some smoked sausage. And optional, you can add in some mushrooms. Jennifer wanted mushrooms tonight, so we'll have some mushrooms. There, that's been about 2.5 to 3 minutes. The recipe for this is below in the comments. There, that's about 4 minutes on a medium-high heat. I've been stirring it around. And now we're going to add in some salt. Just a pinch, large pinch. Some thyme. This is what makes it. It smells great. And some fresh cracked pepper. And we'll just move that around. You can make this ahead and reheat it if you like, but it's best if you cook it fresh. This would be really good with a grilled ribeye. There, that took 5 minutes in total. I'll pull these sausages out. Smoked sausage. I find that the pinch of salt and fresh cracked pepper and a little bit of thyme is just perfect seasoning for this. So I don't think you want to add any more salt or pepper, but please feel free to. Okay, I like that. That's nicely cooked, kind of caramelized. I'll put this into this bowl. Nothing wrong with that. I'll just serve the smoked sausage on top like that. That's a nice meal right there. Look at that. I'll throw these bad boys on too. There you go. That look good. That's a zucchini and pepper sauté with some smoked sausage. Thanks for watching.